Hey y'all, it's Jody May. Thanks for joining me for this dessert inspiration. I hope you guys enjoy, and if you're new, hit that subscribe button and click that bell so you don't miss any future videos. You guys, I wanted to share this first recipe with you guys because this here my mother has made for us my whole entire life, and it has always been my favorite for any holiday or any family gathering. Now what you want to start off with is 1 container of cottage cheese, 1 container of Cool Whip, 1 can of crushed pineapples, 1 container of cherry jello, and then your preference on the topping, none, or you can actually use crushed nuts. You guys, now in this recipe I do things a little bit different because, and I truly do apologize, I'm always conscious that I am recording. So sometimes I get into a rush, I get forgetful, or I try to hurry and I mix something up, or I mess up, or I totally forget an ingredient, which I've done quite a bit here lately. But to be honest with you, I do things a little bit different. And in this one here, just like always, I kind of messed up. I'm supposed to mix the cottage cheese and the jello first, then add the crushed pineapples, then the Cool Whip. But I did do a little bit backward. The flavors taste the same. It's just a little more fluffy if you mix the fruit first and then you fold in the Cool Whip at the end. However, it still turns out the same, but on this, after I mixed up the cherry jello and the cottage cheese really good, I added in the crushed pineapple and the Cool Whip, mixed that all really well, and then I topped it with some crushed pecans. You guys can use different flavored jello. You guys can use different fruits in this, as well as different toppings, none at all, or you guys can use different kinds of nuts. But this here is how my mom has always made it, minus the pecans. But I'm telling you guys, this stuff is so good, and we've always called it pink stuff. I'm assuming because she's always made it with the cherry jello, and it always turns out pink. However, my mother-in-law actually calls hers goop, and she uses different jello, and I don't recall her ever putting nuts on hers. But you guys, I'm telling you, this is a super simple recipe, super great, and I hope you guys try it, and if you do, let me know in the comments below what you guys think of it, if you haven't tried this recipe already. But I'm telling you guys, this is always a must-have for our family for any holiday or family gathering. Now this recipe was inspired by Southern Farm & Kitchen. I will leave her link in the description box below. I did change a couple things around in this recipe, but it still turned out amazing. I absolutely loved it. The hubby loved it, TJ loved it, and it was a definite request again. So thank you very much, Southern Farm & Kitchen, and I hope you guys enjoy. When you're done with this video, check my description box below, click that link for her channel, and subscribe because she truly did inspire this great recipe. You guys, I started off with some pancake mix. I didn't have any Bisquick on hand, so this is what I had to use. Now for this recipe, I just used 2 cups of pancake batter, 1.5 cups of milk, and then I just went ahead and mixed it up really well. I melted 1 stick of butter, and then I put it into my, I think it's a 9x9 square baking dish, and then I swirled the butter around just to make sure that nothing sticks up on the sides, and then all I did was pour the batter right down into the middle. I don't mix anything up after that. I just put it down in there and let it go. Then I go ahead and dump in the cherry pie filling, and I just put globs here and there. Nothing fancy, and again, you don't mix this up. You just put it down in there. The pancake batter will actually come up above the cherries, so you don't have to mix it, and I'm telling you guys, it turned out really good. I hope you guys enjoyed. Trust me when I say this, you guys need to check out Southern Farm & Kitchen. Like I said, her link is in my description box below. I hope you guys enjoyed this dessert inspiration.